How much does it cost to renovate your entire home in Manteca, California? Today we're gonna go through that, and we're gonna start with the kitchen, master bath, hall bathroom, flooring, and paint to give you a realization of the cost of renovating an entire home right here in Manteca. So let's start in the kitchen. Now this will be a custom kitchen, and if you're renovating, you're most likely in that early 90s to 2000 tile countertops and oak cabinetry, and that's something that we are going to be taking completely out. So we're starting with a new footprint. Most likely we are relocating some aspects of the kitchen. That might be appliance locations, it might be adding an island location. Regardless, it's all custom cabinetry, all new countertops, plumbing fixtures, tile, paint, lighting, the whole 9 yards. For this kitchen, we're typically falling around $85,000. Now that's a lot of money, and it could be less, it could be actually a little bit more, depending on what you choose in design. But for this example, $85,000 is a safe budget for a custom kitchen in Manteca. Next up, we want to talk about the master bathroom. This space is the second most important in most people's homes, and it's where you spend a lot of time. You start the day there, you end the day there, and the master bathroom is an important aspect of the home to renovate. Now, in this master bath, we're gonna be doing a new walk-in shower, custom frameless glass, typically a freestanding tub or some sort of tub aspect in this master bath, new cabinetry, new plumbing fixtures, new solid surface, new tile, the whole 9 yards. And this bathroom is gonna start off around $65,000. Now, once again, can be less, can be more, depending on the size of your space, the finishes you're picking for this bathroom. But for this example, $65,000 is a safe budget to allocate for your master bathroom. Next up is the hall bathroom. This is the guest bath. When people come over, they're gonna be going into this bathroom. You're gonna want it to look nice, but it's not gonna be as bougie as the master bath or let's say the custom kitchen. In this bathroom, same situation. New tub shower combo or walk-in shower standalone. New custom vanity with countertops, backsplash, plumbing fixtures, flooring, paint, lighting. The whole thing is happening in here. This hall bathroom is gonna start off around $45,000. Same caveat, could be less, could be more, depending on what you choose, but $45,000, safe budget for your hall bath. Let's talk about the floors. Now, this flooring price will include demolition of the existing floor and the baseboards, prepping the subfloor, whether it's a raised or a slab foundation, making sure that it's level and flat for our new flooring to go in. There's also account for the materials and install of an LVP flooring with a $399 square foot allowance. So not the cheap stuff, not the high expensive stuff, kind of middle of the road-ish. This floor project is gonna come out to around $20,000. You're looking around $10 to $12 a square foot on average. If you're going with a more upscale floor and you have a lot more prep, maybe it's an older home, that is gonna be more expensive. It could be more towards like 16 a square foot. If you're going with a cheaper floor and it's a newer home, you could be as low as, let's say, 8 to 10. So once again, that caveat is there, but account for around $20,000 for new flooring in your home. Painting your home. Now, paint is important, and it's one of the last things we're gonna do in this full home transformation. All these new areas are gonna be primered, painted with 2 coats of finished paint, including all the baseboard, casing, any millwork in the home. And on average, this is gonna come out to around $15,000. Once again, a larger home will be more than 15. If you have any fine finish cabinetry, like built-ins or an entertainment center, that will be more expensive, but $15,000 is a safe starting budget talking about painting your whole home. So if we take into account all of these spaces, the kitchen, master bathroom, hall bathroom, painting, flooring, kind of the 5 aspects of a full home transformation, you're looking at around $230,000 as the starting point. And that is a lot of money, and not a lot of people have that cash on hand. So typically these projects are financed either with the home equity or a renovation loan, an ARV loan. There's a lot of different kind of packages and products that you can get from your local bank or from your home equity to pay for this. But when you're looking at this, have a realistic budget. You're gonna be looking at $230,000, and that's on the starting point. If you're going with extravagant finishes, we have done full home renovations upwards of $750,000. So be realistic with what you're looking at when you're buying this home or renovating your existing home, and make sure you're staying within where you want to be. Now, if you're interested in talking about your full home transformation, we would love to consult with you. We can set something up on site, we can scan your home, we can talk about design and kind of where you want to fall price point wise. If that's the case, go to our website, look at our full home page on our services, Fill out the Get Your Quote form and we will talk to you soon.